Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Lloyds to Revolut. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you make a mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the straightforward guide on how to transfer money from Lloyds Bank to Revolut, so the first thing to do is to obtain your Revolut account details. Then from there, open the Revolut app, then navigate to the hard money section. Then from there, you have to select bank details to view your unique unique GBP account details, including your account holder names, then as registered with Revolut, then your sort code, then your account number. Then after that, you have to initiate the transfer from the Lloyds. So using the Lloyds mobile app banking, log into the app, then tap on payment, then select pay someone new, then enter your Revolut account details you obtained earlier from the app, then enter the amount you wish to transfer, then review the details and confirm the payment. Using Lloyds online banking, log into your online banking account. Then from there, you have to navigate to the payment and transfer, then select pay someone new, then input your Revolut account details and enter the transfer amount, then review and confirm the transaction. And that's how you can simply send money or transfer money from Lloyds to Revolut. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.